Welcome back with another video with HBMB TV. Guys, today I'm going to make a review video on the tripod that I just recently bought. A lot of people, there's a content creator out there, they're making a beautiful video for their audience. And also I just recently bought a tripod, so I thought, I just start a series of reviews video. So it's my third video on review. So recently I bought a tripod. This is a very beautiful tripod, and the price is really good. It's not that expensive. Everybody can afford the price of this tripod. So basically a lot of people complaining, I don't have a good tripod, I don't have a good camera, so what I do. So in that scenario, I'm going to present you the tripod is very cheap in price, and you can easily make your beautiful videos. So here I'm going to present the tripod. This is the tripod I just recently bought. The tripod name is 3120 tripod, and the maximum length is 1020 meter, 1020 mm, and the second, if you close the tripod, is 350 mm, and if you open a little bit, there's a 345, and there's a three-way head on the top, as you can see that in the picture, and there's a built-in level as well. There's a 4-second aluminium legs, and there's a quick lever lock as well in this video. So as you can see that in the video, and now I'm going to unbox this beautiful tripod, and the packing is really good. Let's see, we're going to open. Oh, there's a beautiful, if you going outside for a journey, there is basically a cover. You can put in your tripod in the cover. It's very handy if you're going out for outdoor shooting, or like if you're going for a travel vlog. This is beautiful, and this is very handy as well. Now I'm going to unbox this tripod. There's another packing inside, you can see that. Now I'm going to open this beautiful tripod. So here is, guys, see how beautiful is it. And before I'm going to expand this tripod, I'm going to show you another thing. If you're making selfies or you're doing your TikTok videos, so you can use this like horizontally, or like this, or like that, like this, or like that. So you can record your YouTube video horizontally, or you're making TikTok videos, you can in this way you can use in the tripod. So there's basically 3 settings. The first setting is this, and if you have like and there's, if you can lose the thing from here, and there's another thing from here, you can lose this here, and you can turn that way, and you can tie it from there. So there's another thing, there's another setting here. If you move a little bit here, and this thing will be up like this, so you can tie it from here. And the legs, if you're making video sitting on the table, then this setting will be right, and then you can decrease a little bit like this. All right, okay. There's a 3 setting down here. When you open this one, this leg will open, you can close, and same as a hair, you can close, and same as a hair, you can close, like you can do like this. So you see, and there's another point, the second point you can open from here. Oh, I already opened that. This one a bit more, this one a bit more, this one a bit more. See, and there's a last one is here, that's the size, and more, and there's more. So that's how it is. It will help you to do your videos, guys. It's very handy. Let me close this and I will elaborate more things on this tripod. And it's very handy. It's not like, what I say, it's not very heavy, it's very lightweight. You can even put your tripod up there. And I'm going to show you another thing like this. So you can move this. There's a 360 angle, you can move like this. And here you can set your DSLR camera or this thing here. This thing is here. Okay guys, and you can move like this easily. If you want to set, look at this. I'm going to show you another thing. Like that. You get my point, guys? Like this. So you can adjust according to your height. So you can open from here. And the plus, one more is very beautiful thing is camera 360 button. You can install this one, and you can install in this on your iPhone and on the Android device. So you can easily manage these things. So hopefully you like this video. If you're making a vlog or you're making your tech videos, you can use this tripod, and the price is not that expensive. I got this from Ireland. This is very cheap. It's I think 12 or 13 euro or maximum 14 euro. And this is not professional, but it's not that bad. I mean, if your camera is really heavy, then you go for the professional. This is very lightweight. I can even pick up easily. So it will make you to do a great video without, a vibration. You can make a lot of good videos for you content creators. And this is not, guys, a promotional video or sponsored video. Hopefully you love this idea and will implement on your videos, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, and bye bye, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.